Remove the U-shaped trim panel from the rear cover. Remove the rear trim panel clips. Remove the rear trim panel. Unplug the connector on the rear trim panel.
First, remove the black control box. Then unscrew all the bolts along the rear lip area. And take off the trunk's upper trim panel. Next, remove the screws around the trunk switch. Grab the Rearview extension cable and connect it to the trunk switch harness. Once that's secured, reinstall the switch and tighten the screws. Now feed the extension cable through into the trunk area.
Connect the Rearview extension cable to the camera. Route the extension cable along the OEM wire harness. Remove the waterproof rubber hose from the rear harness. Pass the threading tool through the rubber hose. Attach the Rearview extension cable to the threading tool and pull it through to the other end. Route the cable from the rear harness area to the right rear door. Reinstall the waterproof rubber hose. Route the cable along the door, sealed to the B-pillar. Thread the cable toward the front door.
After that, reinstall the upper trunk trim and fasten all the screws. Finally, pop the black box back in. Reconnect the clips and reinstall the tailgate trim. Start by popping off the back cover of the mirror. Once the back cover's off, unplug the connecting clip inside. Then hold the base of the original mirror with both hands. Give it a gentle twist counterclockwise, and the whole mirror should come right off. After that, unscrew the bolt on the mount, take out the little metal clip inside. Now grab the new connecting bracket. Put that little metal clip you just took out into the groove on the new bracket. Then screw the bolt back on to secure it. Next, take the connecting rod, line it up with the bracket, and close them together. Then use the bolt with the washer to screw them tight. Next up, grab the streaming mirror unit. First, we'll tighten the 4 small bolts to attach the mount to the mirror. Once that's done, set it aside for now. Now pop open the mirror cover on the ceiling. Just gently pry it open along the seam. Then get the power cord and the mirror extension cord. Tuck both cords into the gap of the ceiling trim. Once they're hidden, pull the cords out through the hole in the cover. Then snap the cover back into place. Now grab the streaming mirror with the mount already attached. Here's a key tip. The side with the ports needs to face up. Then feed the power cord and extension cord through the hole at the bottom of the streaming mirror mount. Line them up with the corresponding ports on the mirror and plug them in tight. After the cords are connected, align the mirror with the base and twist it clockwise until it locks in. Then snap the back cover back on. Take off the weather stripping on the passenger door Then pop off the side panel. There's an original clip here, mine's already removed. Next, take off the pedal panel. Then remove the A-pillar panel. Take the small clip off the A-pillar panel. Feed the power cord through the A-pillar panel and pull it out from above the seat belt. Then put the clip back on the A-pillar panel. And snap the panel back into place. Now both the power cord and extension cord are hidden in the A-pillar panel. Then run the power cord down to the bottom of the door. Put part of the weather stripping back on first. Find the original clip, pry it open. Connect one end of the power cord to the original clip and plug the other end into the car's corresponding port. Once that's connected, tuck any extra cord into the gap so it doesn't show and looks clean. Put the pedal panel back on. Snap the original clip back in. Reinstall the side panel. And get all the weather stripping back in place.